2017 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features, including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, power driver's seat, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, anti-theft security system, cruise control, center armrest, climate control, clock, security system, CD player, side airbag, overhead console, tachometer, intermittent wipers, dual zone climate control, carpeted floor mats, daytime running lights. Come take a test drive today.